All right, it's exciting. Getting the final masters in from Sean, songs on the new album. About to check them out. Really excited about this one. This is Pop Drove a Train, and we got Michael Cleveland, greatest fiddle player on the planet, to play on it. Jamie Johnson from the Grascals sang on it, and Sean tells me my dog got on there, so this ought to be interesting.
Times were hard back in the day, and crops wouldn't grow in the Georgia clay. Couldn't sit around and pray for rain, so Pop went and learned to drive a train.
There he is, Billy.